Jingle bells, Batman smells,
Daddy!
Robin lays.
Daddy!
What?
This is Daddy Daddy's time cooking, not Jingle Bells karaoke.
Oh. Well, if that's the case, what are we making today?
Holiday cookies!
And memories too. Like the outfits? Let's eat some cookies. Here's what we're going to need for today's holiday cookies. 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1.25 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 2 eggs, 1 cup of butter flavored shortening, 3 cups flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder. For those of you in the Northeast, you're going to need your jimmies. The rest of the world, sprinkles, a rolling pin, parchment paper, and your fun holiday cookie cutouts. Yay! And now it's time to blend all the ingredients to make cookies. So let's start. First, we're going to add in the shortening. All in. Very nice. And we're going to add in the sugar. And now we're going to cream the ingredients. Now that we've creamed the sugar and the shortening, we're going to add the wet ingredients. If you would please, the 2 eggs. The vanilla. The maple syrup. Nice job. And blend. Last step of the mixing, add the salt, baking powder, and baking soda, and gradually add in the flour. And mix. Let's gradually add in some more. We'll divide this into 3 gradual parts of the flour into the bowl. Go for it. And now the last of the flour. May I?
Sure.
Flour's all in. Here comes the last one. We've got it all blended together. It's a nice dough ball. Sugar cookie, kind of holiday cookie dough ball. Yum, 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 yum. We're going to take this off and we're going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. It's best if you do it overnight, but if you got to get your cookies on real quick, just put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Well, daughter, our dough's been in the fridge for at least 1 hour, right?
Right?
Right, okay. So, I'm going to take a little bit of flour, dust our parchment paper with some flour so the dough doesn't stick when we start rolling it. Take our wonderful dough, place in the middle, rolling pin, again a little bit of flour on there. Festive! Spread it out and we're just going to go ahead and roll this out so we can start making our cookies.
Yippee!
Cookie shape number 1. Cookie shape number 2. Cookie shape number 3. And cookie shape number 4. But we've got even more than this, right?
Right.
Okay. So, I peel back all the dough and I'm going to put it back in the bowl because we're going to save it for later when we make even more cookies. More cookies is never a bad thing, right?
Right. You always want the best amount of cookies.
Now we're also going to cheat today, daughter.
What do you mean we're going to cheat?
We are actually going to leave the cookies on the parchment paper and cook the cookies like that.
What?
We're not going to take them off and put them on the cookie sheet. We're going to leave them on the parchment paper so there's less of a mess for us to clean up later.
That's nice.
Especially with all the sugar and jimmies and stuff you're about to put on those cookies. Show us how it's done, daughter.
Alrighty.
See, with the parchment paper, it's okay if the sprinkles and stuff fall over the side because it's not going to burn on the pan. Alright, we've got the multicolored jimmies going on the Christmas tree, or Hanukkah bush, or just a pine tree. Anyway, there's fun goodness going on top. What's next?
Red sprinkles for our stocking.
Red sprinkles for our stocking. Awesome! Watch what we're going to do. We're just going to slide this right onto our cookie sheet.
Whoop!
It's ready to go in the oven. They didn't break, they didn't fall apart. Magic. High five, holiday cookie time. Now that we've decorated our cookies, we're going to put them in a preheated oven, which was preheated to 375 degrees. And we're going to put them in there for about 5 to 9 minutes. Depending on how thick you made your cookies or rolled them out, increase the time upwards towards 9. Thinner, closer to 5. We'll see you in a couple minutes with some yummy holiday cookies. It's been about 6 minutes. Let's see how our holiday cookies are doing. Woohoo! Holiday cookies are done. Well, here we are, almost at the end of another Daddy-Daughter Time cooking episode. The cookies have been baked. They smell incredible. I'm sure they probably taste incredible, too.
Can we eat them now?
No. We can't eat these. We have to have an objective third-party person come in, taste them, and let our audience know whether or not they actually taste good.
So you mean the taste tester?
Yeah, we need the taste tester to come in and taste the cookies.
Oh,
taste tester, oh, taste tester, we need you to try our cookies. Why, hello, taste tester.
Hello, Daddy.
Happy holidays to you, taste tester.
Happy holidays to you too.
Let me ask you a question, taste tester. I need to know whether or not you are ready to try our holiday cookies and tell us whether or not they were good this year or if they were bad.
Okay.
All right, if you would, please, taste away.
That is good.
That's good? The cookies were good?
Can we eat them now?
Daughter, I believe we can eat them now, so let's go ahead, grab a cookie. Let's start enjoying these. To everyone out there, happy holidays. May your holidays be safe. Hang out with your family. And have lots of cookies. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, everybody.
In this house, we dance in the kitchen.
Bye.
Babysound.com